Radio frequency signals carry cellular data from AT&T towers to your devices. These signals operate on specific frequency bands and propagate through the air as electromagnetic waves. However, dense materials like concrete, soil, and rebar in basement construction cause significant signal attenuation. The signal weakens as it passes through these barriers, losing strength dramatically. Multipath interference occurs when signals bounce off surfaces, creating null zones where the signals cancel each other out. This creates dead spots in your basement where no signal reaches. Shadowing from physical barriers blocks the direct line of sight path to cell towers, further reducing signal strength. The rebar reinforcement in concrete walls acts like a metal mesh that absorbs RF energy. AT&T uses lower frequency bands like 700 to 850 MHz for better penetration, but these still struggle against thick concrete and earth. Even with these frequencies, basements often remain challenging environments. Essentially, your basement acts like a Faraday cage, an enclosure that blocks electromagnetic signals from entering, severely limiting AT&T signal strength for your devices. AT&T is actively working to improve indoor coverage, including basements, through its 5G expansion. The 5G Boost initiative introduces small, dedicated indoor cells in select urban areas. The 5G Boost initiative introduces small, dedicated indoor cells in select urban areas. While 5G availability is increasing, basement penetration remains a challenge. According to recent reports, a significant percentage of users still report inadequate signal strength in basements. AT&T's app now includes a signal health diagnostic tool to help identify basement-specific issues, and they're exploring AI-driven adaptive antennas to improve signal reception in weak areas. The primary approach to fixing weak basement signals involves amplifying or rerouting the signal. Common methods include signal boosters or repeaters, which capture the outdoor signal, amplify it, and rebroadcast it inside your basement using antennas. Femtocells or microcells are small base stations connecting to your broadband internet to create a personal cellular network. Wi-Fi calling or VoLTE utilizes your home's Wi-Fi network for calls and data, bypassing the need for a cellular signal. External antennas, mounted on windows or the roof, can capture a stronger signal and route it to your basement. Signal boosters capture weak AT&T signals using an external antenna, amplify them through an internal amplifier, and rebroadcast the stronger signal inside your basement with an internal antenna. This diagram illustrates the complete signal boosting system, showing how signals flow from the outdoor antenna through the booster to the indoor antenna. When choosing a booster, verify it's compatible with AT&T's LTE and 5G NR frequency bands to ensure proper operation. Using unauthorized or incompatible boosters violates FCC rules and may create interference with AT&T's network. Professional installation ensures optimal antenna positioning and helps prevent signal throttling by AT&T. Wi-Fi calling is a convenient solution if you have a reliable internet connection. Most modern smartphones and AT&T plans support Wi-Fi calling, allowing you to make and receive calls and texts over your Wi-Fi network. Another option is using a voice over LTE service, which uses your 4G LTE network for voice calls, offering better quality and faster connection times compared to traditional cellular calls. These options depend on a stable internet connection. Real-world examples show how different fixes work in various situations. In a New York City apartment, a resident faced very weak signal in a concrete basement. Using a Wilson Electronics 5G booster costing about $300, they achieved a 50 dB signal gain, improving from -110 dBm to 60 dBm. This enabled stable 5G speeds of 100 Mbps, but required professional installation to avoid network interference. In a rural Texas home, a homeowner extended coverage to a basement workshop using a SureCall Fusion 5X booster with an outdoor antenna, costing around $500. This boosted LTE signal from 1 bar to 4 bars, supporting video calls and smart devices, though it faced occasional interference during storms due to tower overload. For larger-scale needs, a Boston hospital implemented AT&T's microcell solution in their basement to ensure reliable signal for emergency pagers. This reduced downtime from 20% to under 5%, highlighting how microcells can provide scalable coverage for critical applications in challenging environments. These case studies demonstrate that the most effective solution depends on your specific location, basement construction, and proximity to cell towers. Factors like building materials, available space, and signal requirements all influence the choice of fix. Common mistakes when fixing basement signal issues include improper antenna placement, choosing incompatible boosters, and ignoring building materials. Expert tips focus on diagnostics, grounding, regulations, and experimentation. Improper antenna placement is a frequent mistake. Antennas placed in wrong locations create weak or interrupted signals. As shown in this diagram, correct antenna placement is crucial for optimal signal reception. Incorrect setups lead to poor coverage. Failing to consider building materials like concrete is another common error. Dense materials attenuate signals significantly. This graph shows how different concrete types affect signal strength, with denser materials causing more attenuation. Expert recommendations include using AT&T's diagnostic tools to assess signal strength and identify issues. Apps like this can help measure your current signal strength and guide your troubleshooting. Always ensure boosters and antennas are properly grounded to prevent electrical issues and interference. Follow FCC guidelines to avoid illegal jammers or over-amplified signals that can interfere with networks. No single solution works for everyone. Be prepared to try different approaches like Wi-Fi calling, boosters, or external antennas. Remember to test and experiment with various solutions tailored to your basement's unique conditions. The trend is moving towards integrated home solutions, with smart home ecosystems incorporating cellular boosters. These systems combine Wi-Fi routers, cellular repeaters, and smart devices into unified platforms that automatically optimize signal strength throughout the home. Future advancements like AI-optimized femtocells and the rollout of 6G promise even better indoor coverage. Femtocells will use artificial intelligence to learn signal patterns and preemptively adjust power, while 6G's higher frequencies and advanced beamforming will penetrate building materials more effectively. Hybrid Wi-Fi cellular routers may become more common, providing seamless transitions between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. These devices intelligently switch connections based on signal strength and data needs, ensuring uninterrupted service even in challenging areas like basements. Ultimately, ubiquitous indoor mesh networks could eliminate the need for basement-specific fixes in the long term. These networks create interconnected nodes throughout buildings, providing consistent coverage everywhere through intelligent routing and self-healing capabilities. For now, the best approach is a combination of available technologies and expert advice. Start with AT&T's diagnostic tools, consider signal boosters or femtocells, and consult professionals for optimal setup to achieve reliable basement coverage.